Welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. This is Hedaetullah with another new video. As we have started Microsoft Excel tutorial series and this is its lesson 13, and if you're new to our channel then you can watch our previous video. Already I have uploaded and already have completed 4 parts of our Excel formulas, and also I have discussed about 25 tips and tricks that are very essential for a learner who want to actually learn Excel tutorials, Excel software. And also about basic I have already discussed about that. So if you want to learn that, you should watch our previous video. That link are given in description, and also you can search on YouTube like School of Civil Engineering. This is a unique YouTube channel, and if you're new to our channel then don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon. So in this lesson I am just going to discuss about round, round up, round down, rank and lookup. Okay, so in our previous, also in our part 4, I have also discussed about some formulas that are very essential for engineers or for a person who also want to learn Excel. And also in this lesson I'm going to discuss about that 5 important formula, and next tutorials also I'll discuss about best 5 important formula that are very required for Excel work. And if you learn that formulas, then it will make your work very easy. So let's start. So first of all, as well, I'll open Excel file. So in our previous video I have just used that formulas. I'll just going to delete that. Okay, now we have cleared that. Now first of all I will show you about round. Okay, what is the round actually? So if I create some value 12.4 suppose they have some value. Okay, this is some value. Now we will use round here, round, then round up, then suppose RD, round down. Okay, just imagine that. Now first of all round, so to use round, simply equal to, then ROUND round, then bracket. After that it's telling us number. Okay, what is the number actually? This is the number, then comma, the minimum, number digit. Okay, what will be the number digit? So at which format you want to, you just want to round your data. So I want to format at 0. Okay, I want to format at 0. Just simply click here. Now it's giving us 12. Now it's giving us 12 because that value is, when I will use 5, it will give us 13. So we all know that as a mathematical term, always we can consider the value bit more than 0.5, it will be the next one, and less than 0.5 it will be the previous one. So I'll just go back. So 12, this is round. So similarly also by clicking here we have give here 0. Also if we give here 0.25 round, 0.25, if we give here 0.25, also now it will give us the value like that. Also if we give here 0.5, then see what I mean, it's also giving us 12. Okay, it will give us the round data. Now just it's better to give her 0. It's 0, enter. Now if we go down, now the value more than 0.5 it's showing the next, and less than 0.5 it's showing the previous one. Just see here 43.465, it's 43. Now we'll go round up and round down. So how will use round up? Simply equal to ROUND round up. then bracket. Now it's telling us number, so I'll just give its number, then comma, then number digit. Okay, give number digit. Then if we give it 0 first time, then enter. Suppose see that here it is giving us 13. It is giving us 13. I mean it will give the next format value, I mean next round value. So what is the next round value for 0? It's 13. Okay, so if we give her 0.5, it's also giving us, sorry, maybe I've done a mistake. Just here I will use that formula, and also for that I will use that formula. Okay, so for 0.5 it's also giving us 13. Okay, so if we use 5, it's giving us, for the formula for 5 it is giving us like that. So it is better to use, sorry, here 0.5. okay, now again if we go similarly down, it will give us the next round value. Okay, next round value. So I think you have understand that what will be the next down value. Okay, that is the up value, and what will be the down value, equal to, then ROU and round, here down, double click the number, this is the number actually, then bracket and a digit. What will be the digit? If we get give her 0, then it's 12. Here it's giving us that value like that way. So we have completed our round, round up, round down, and now we will learn about rank. Okay, so we have completed that. Now we'll learn about rank. So how actually rank work? Suppose this is a that is roll, and consider that that is the total marks. Okay, this is the total marks. Now we will rank with respect to the mark. Okay, with respect to the mark, this is the name and this is the total marks. So will rank with respect to their marks. So simply come here, then give her equal to the rank. Okay, then bracket. After that, select that on. With respect to what value you want to use your rank, then you have to select that. Suppose we'll use that on, then comma. After that, the reference. What will be the reference? From that point to that point, we want to, I mean with respect to E4, I mean that value, we will use the total range for our reference, I mean as our reference. Then I'll give comma, then it's telling us what is the order, descending or ascending. So I'll just first of all give ascending 1, then enter. So it's giving us the 480 is number 3. Now if I go down, see what happened. It's showing us 3, it's showing us 3, 3, 1, like that. It's, what is that actually? So when we have used that formula here, if you follow here, so that is E4. Okay, that is E4. This is the E4. Now, and our range was E4 to E10, from that point to that point. Okay, and our value was 1. But when we have scrolled down, then our formula have changed its position for that value. It's taking E5, so from that point to that point. But for E10, they have no value actually. So some previous video I have discussed with you in detail that what is the absolute value, I mean absolute formula, and what is the relative formula. So here we have to use absolute formula actually. So here double click, and to use absolute formula we know that we have to give I mean for who is value, I mean for who is what. They have two part. First of all E and another is 4. Okay, now at who is part of that box we want to instant, we have to freeze both of them. Okay, I mean we have to constant both of them. Then before E will give a $sign, and before 4 also will give $sign, and here before E also will give a $sign, and for E will give a $sign. Then press enter. Now go down and see what happened. Now see that it's 1, it's 2, it's 3, 4, 5. Both are seeing 5 because the value are same. So if we change that, suppose 1, it's a change 5, 6, 7. So in this way just we can find out the rank by using our rank formula. After that I will go for lookup. So how actually lookup work? Suppose that is a table. Okay, this is a table here actually. So how lookup actually work? Suppose we have a reference value. So this is a reference box. Okay, now if we want to find out data here with respect to the reference box, now how we'll use that? So here that is our box, then equal to look up, then double click here. After that it's telling us lookup value with respect to which value it will look up with respect to that value. Here we'll give a value, particular value. So after that we'll give comma. Now lookup vector. Okay, now we have to give lookup vector. So after that suppose we'll consider that line. Okay, we'll consider that line. Okay, then we'll give bracket, then enter. So now it's telling us NA not applicable. Now we'll give a value. Actually what is lookup? So at that row, okay, at that row, what will be the, if I give here 104, it's telling us 4 actually. So actually with respect to one or another row, just we have to use our that lookup formula. Also we can change that. So from here if we okay, so this is our lookup value, then comma, then lookup vector. Okay, suppose this is a that will be our lookup vector, then comma, and it will be our lookup result vector, then bracket, then enter. Then if we give her a, if we give her a, then see here it's giving us the value for a. That was our result. We have to found result for it. Suppose this is the name of F. So for F name, what is its role? That is its role. So in this way just we can use our lookup. That's clear to you that how we'll use lookup. So in our next video also I will discuss about vertical lookup and horizontal lookup. So till then, tata, and if you think that is helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon and like our video, share our video, and don't forget to leave a comment. So thank you very much. Stay connected till next video.